Not far from Rushen Parish Church is an estate called Ballakilley. In fact, there are lots of places called Ballakilley strewn right around the island, and they all happen to be near churches or old keel sites, which is unsurprising when you learn that the name comes from the Manx Gaelic Ballakilley, meaning farm of the church. Nowadays, the n part of the name has been dropped and we hear Ballakilley. Balla or Ballia means farm, stead, place, village or town, and the Killia part is nothing ominous, it just means of the church. Another place name that uses the word Killia is Lagnakilley, meaning hollow of the church, and here the remains of an old keel can be found. The Manx surname Killia is also spelt and pronounced in the same way. Perhaps you know some places near you with Keel or Killia in their names.